In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize DocuSign email notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your notification settings, how to fine-tune which emails you receive, and how to save your changes so your inbox only gets what you actually need. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the DocuSign website. In the top right corner, click Login. Sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile picture or your initials. From that menu, choose My Preferences. This is where DocuSign stores all your personal settings, including the controls for emails. Quick note while we're here. I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the very top of the description, so you can get to the correct sign-in page quickly and safely. On the left side menu of the Preferences page, click Notifications. This section lists the different types of emails DocuSign can send you. You'll see options like when an envelope is sent, when it's completed, reminder emails if a signer hasn't finished yet, and other status updates. Think of this as your master switchboard for what lands in your inbox. To customize things, use the checkboxes next to each notification type. Checking a box turns that email on, unchecking it turns it off. For example, enable envelope send if you want a confirmation each time you send a document. Turn on envelope completed to get an email the moment every required signature is in. If you handle a lot of agreements, you might keep reminders active so you're alerted when signers need a nudge. Some items may include advanced options, like choosing immediate emails versus a daily summary. Pick what fits your workflow best. Immediate alerts if timing is critical, or a daily digest if you prefer fewer interruptions. If you notice any options are grayed out, it could be because your organization manages those settings. In that case, an admin may need to adjust them. When you're happy with your choices, scroll to the bottom and click Save. If you don't see the button, just move down the page a bit. DocuSign places it below the list. After you save, your preferences take effect right away, and they carry over whether you're using DocuSign on the web or the mobile app. That's all you need to do to customize your DocuSign email notifications. If your needs change, you can revisit this page anytime and update your selections. Thanks for watching.